Do you drink lemon water during your fast? We have some videos on the channel where we talk about the benefits of this practice to health. Have you watched them yet? If you want to improve your immunity, include this habit in your daily routine. But it is necessary to take care of your teeth when you drink lemon water. According to researchers from King's College in the United Kingdom, drinking acidic beverages in between your meals and drinking them for long periods might increase the risk of dental erosion. Did you know that? The study, published at the British Dental Journal, had 300 people participating and analyzed the relation between the participants' diets and severe dental erosion. Juices, fruit teas, diet beverages, sugary drinks, and flavored water are acidic liquids that can erode the teeth, according to the study. The situation becomes more serious when it takes longer than 5 minutes to ingest one of these drinks, or when someone plays with fruits in their mouth before swallowing it. Did you know that it can deteriorate your teeth? But sugary drinks aren't the only culprits. Diet sodas, vinegar, and pickles can also cause dental erosion. Are you enjoying the video so far? Then give us your opinion to let us know how we're helping you and your health. Also, give the video a thumbs up and share it with a friend who needs to watch this. The study also says that people who drink water with a slice of lemon or hot teas made of fruits in between meals have 11 times more chances of suffering from medium to serious dental erosion. This number is reduced to less than half when the drinks were ingested during the meals. According to Russ Lodwell, responsible for the British Dental Association, ingesting acidic beverages during a meal minimizes the damages because the production of saliva is increased during mastication, and since saliva is alkaline, it reduces the acidity of the drinks. When we talk about acidic drinks, we are talking about alcohol, fruity teas, flavored water, acidic juices like pineapple, raspberry, orange, and lemon, and also sodas, even the diet ones, and sugary drinks. Lodwell recommends drinking water to neutralize the acid of these drinks. If you have this habit, pay attention because dental erosion is one of the biggest damages to teeth in all age groups. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.